Hello student, let's try to see the question paper student 2023-24 model paper. It is there, sample paper. How the total question will be coming 33 question student. Section A consists of MCQ and total 16 are there, 1 marks, and section B 5 short question are there, 2 marks student. Section C 7 short question, 3 marks. Section D you can see 2 case study base, 4 marks. Section E 3 long question, 5 marks student. All question are compulsory. Use log table and calculators is not. Use of log table and calculator is not allowed. So log table also you cannot see student, means log value must be given. Here you see student, question number 1 if you are talking, the following question are multiple choice. Which of the following solution will have higher conductivity at 290 Kelvin? More the ion, right, more the ions produced, more the ion produced, more will be conductivity. That is what, more will be conductivity, because the conductivity depends upon number of ion. 0.0 mole 0.1 molar HCl or 0.1 molar HCl. So 0.1 is greater compared to 0.01. This is wrong. CH3COOH, it is weak acid less ionized. This is 0.1 molar, but it is also weak acid less ionized. So correct option is going to be B. That you need to keep in mind student, right? Now let us go and see the another one student. A and B is there, dilute NaOH, and it is what is happening student, it is going to be aldol condensation, and we are getting this product. So A is phenyl ethanol, B is acetophenone. This is what the question is there student. So how will you be able to decide student? How will you be able to decide? You are supposed to break this bond student. You can break this one, because here the what is happened student, loss of water molecule has taken place. So it must be the aldehyde group, and what will be there student in this place here they that is CH2 group. CH2 group means that is CH is already there, means here should be H2, and here is the oxygen. Okay, so this water loss student, always keep in mind student, because in the condensation reaction what we do is student, there is the loss of water molecule. So dear student, here it will be O and this will be the H2, so that is loss now. So first one is ethanol student, this is that is the word aldehyde, simple aldehyde, and this one is acetophenone, acetophenone, acetophenone. Now check it student, benzaldehyde is there and acetophenone. So correct option is the option number this C student, benzaldehyde and acetophenone. This is quite simple one student, as it looking very difficult, but the answer is very simple one. The vitamins which can be stored in our body student, which vitamin can be stored in the body? So C cannot be stored because citrus acid, and B also cannot be stored. This is not. So B also not. So this is also wrong student. Vitamin A, D, E, K. The option number D can be the correct one student. Right. Option D is correct one. Okay. Now. So now they see the question number 4 student. What can be the answer if you see question number 4? They are saying what is the IUPAC name of ketone A which undergoes iodoform reaction to give CH3COONA yellow precipitate of CHI3. So dear student, which can go? That is the anything having this group student, methyl keto group or methyl hydroxy group student. So it is going to give student iodoform. This is the condition. Now you draw the this one dimethylethanone. This is the dimethyl ethanone. Dimethyl ethanone is there. So 2,3-dimethyl is there, student. So that cannot be. If you see the structure of CuC, the correct option is supposed to be option number A, student. First of all, let us see the A one. What is there? 3-methyl pent 3 in 2 one. So pent means what, student? Suppose I am taking the C, and C. Total carbon it raised to 5, and that is second position. What is there? One. And third position, what is there, student? Methyl CS3. So rest of the things it will be the as it is, student. This is the CH2 and CS3. Now this group you can see, this is the methyl keto group is there. So this is our required answer. Rest of all you can here 2 in 1 one. So this is not the methyl keto group, student. Okay, 4 methyl pent 4 one. This is not, student. 2 one can be possible. So this is. Now let us go back to the question number 5, student. What is there? Which of the following is not the correct one, student? Question number 5. Okay. Here see, in halogens the electron pair on halogen atoms are conjugation with pi electron of the ring. That is correct, student. No? In the halogens you see this one Cl is there. So this electron pair are the conjugation with the pi electron. Here single double bond are there. Carbon magnesium bond is covalent and not polar in nature, student. So carbon magnesium bond how can be the covalent, student? It is the ionic bond. I know MgC2, it is the ionic bond, student. Ionic bond. So that is, it is not correct, student. During SN reaction, carbocation formed. Slow step SN2 sp2 hybrid. That is correct. Out of CH2CHCl and C65CH2Cl and C6H5 is more reactive towards SN1 reaction. Okay. This one is more reactive because it is the C6H5 CH2Cl, because student this is the aliphatic. Aliphatic, there is no partial double bond character, so aliphatic go faster, student. Now let us go to question number 6. What is there, student? Match the following properties of the lowest enthalpy of atomization. So lowest, whichever is having the least unpaired electron, student, that is having the lowest enthalpy of atomization. So scandium, it is having the only 1d 3d1, student. So that is first, it is going to be the P, student. First one it is going with the P. Now this is what shows maximum number of oxidation state. So second is going to be what, student? Mn, and Mn is Q, student, because it is having the D. No, Mn is having D5 configuration, 3d5 4s2. So plus 7 oxidation state. Transition metal that does not form the color compound. This is what is, student? Zinc. So it will be third will go with the R. So PQR. This is wrong. PQR. Option C is supposed to be the correct, student. Hello. Oh sorry, student. This will be the Zn is having 3d10, all paired electrons. So better you can go with the R. Does not form the color compound. So 2 time it is supposed to be the RQP. P, transition metal that does not form the color compound. Scandium, RPQ.